Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. If you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So let's begin with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about some Vastu tips that are related to your kitchen and what should be the Vastu of your kitchen and which is the best direction for the placement of kitchen and why it is important to have our kitchen in the right direction in its respective location. So I'll be talking about all these topics today, and along with it I will also tell you some Vastu tips that will help you in getting rid of all the Vastu defects that is there in your kitchen if your kitchen is in the wrong direction, if it's in the wrong location. So let's start with our kitchen topic today. So our kitchen is the most important place in our home. It is a very important place because it is the source of energy. We get all the energies from the food that we eat, but it depends on us that what kind of energies are we consuming. Because while eating, we not only consume food, but along with food, we also consume the energies. Now it depends on us that what kind of energies are we consuming. Are we consuming good energies or are we consuming bad energies? That also matters a lot. But if we are consuming bad energies, it will naturally create a bad impact on our health, our mental health, our emotional health, our physical health, and it will also create a bad impact on our financial life, our financial health. That's why it is very important for us to have our kitchen in the right direction. So our kitchen should always be in the southeast direction. Now why southeast direction? Why not northeast? Firstly, our southeast direction is related to fire element. Yes, our southeast direction are governed by a lord of fire, Agni Dev. He is the governor of the southeast direction. He rules the southeast direction. And what does fire element represents? It represents strength, courage, confidence, willpower, personal power. So fire is the source of all the energies. It gives us the strength, courage, confidence to do better in our lives, to perform good in our lives. And it brings overall good luck in our life. It helps us to attract good health, wealth and prosperity. That's why our kitchen should always be in the southeast direction only. Or it can also be in the east direction, because east is again a very auspicious direction, because it is the direction of rising sun. And the sun is again a very hot planet. It's the hottest planet, which is again related to fire. That's why our kitchen can be in east direction too. And there's one more reason why the kitchen should be in the southeast direction. Southeast direction is the direction of Venus as well, Venus planet. यानी कि हमारे शुक्र ग्रह, जो शुक्र ग्रह होते हैं वो हमारे साउथ ईस्ट यानी कि अग्निकोण में वास करते हैं. And Venus planet is known to bring luxurious life. It helps us to attract luxurious things in our life. Let's say if you want to buy a new house, whether it's a bungalow or a flat, or you want to buy a new vehicle, a good branded car, or you want to make a lot of investments in good amount of properties. It will help you to bring all such things in your life. It will bring overall good luck and good health, wealth and prosperity in your life. So if Venus is balanced in your home, it's in the right position, then you can get anything that you want in your life. And that's the reason our kitchen should always be in the southeast direction. It's the best direction for the placement of kitchen. Now comes the next tip. This tip is for everyone, people who have got their kitchen in southeast direction or people who don't have their kitchen in the southeast direction. So what you can do, you can place your burner or gas stove towards east, because again the same logic applies here. East is the direction of rising sun. It is a very auspicious direction. And it means that rising sun will kill all the unwanted bacteria, all the harmful bacteria that is there in your kitchen, that is there in your food. and ultimately it will create a good impact on our health, on our mental health, on our emotional health, on our physical health, and which will also affect our financial health too, our financial life. That's the reason your gas burner or your stove should be towards east. And make sure while cooking a person is always facing east, because sun gives us the light and the positive energies. Because when we cook, what happens? We pour our energies too into the food. And that's why we have to be positive while we are cooking, because we pour whatever energies that time we have in us. If we are thinking anything negative, if there are a lot of negative thoughts running in our mind while we are cooking, so we'll pour those negative thoughts into our food. That's why we should always face east, because sun will give us the positive energies. So we'll pour those positive energies into our food, which will create a good impact on our health, which will create a good impact on the health of our family members. So if you're facing a lot of health related issues, for example stomach related issues, or you have arthritis, or you have any other issues, then facing east while cooking and placing your burner or gas stove towards east will help you to get rid of all such health issues that you have in your life. Now comes the next tip, the placement of our water purifier. So our water purifier should always be placed in the northeast direction. Why northeast? Because northeast is the direction that is related to water element. Water element rules the northeast direction. And what does water element signifies? What does it represent? It represents purification. It represents movement, filtration. So water has the capability to neutralize all the negative energies. It helps to clear away all the negative energies, and it helps us to invite all the fresh and positive energies into our home. So if your water purifier is located in the northeast direction, that means it will purify your body. If you have any problem, for example if you have digestion related problem or your immune system is weak, then it will keep your digestive system on track. It will keep your immune system in a perfect state. So that's why our water purifiers should be located in the northeast direction, because it will cleansify our body, it will purify our body, it will clear away all the negative energies that are there in our body, that is there in our mind. That's why northeast direction is the best direction for the placement of water purifier. Or it can also be in the north direction. It is again a water element. Now comes the next tip, the placement of taps or your sink. Sink, it's a place where we wash our utensils. And what do we do when we wash our utensils? We clear away the dirt that is there in our utensils. That's why our sink and the tap location should always be in the northeast direction, because it's a water element. So what does it mean? When we wash our utensils, we are washing off all the negative energies that is there in our utensils, that is there in our kitchen. And once the negative energies are gone, once we are clearing away all the negative energies, we are making space for the positive energies to come in. We are inviting all the fresh, good energies, the positive energies into our home, into our life. And that's why the sink always should be in the northeast direction. It should always be located in the northeast direction only. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. Just follow all these tips. These are very simple but very powerful tips which will help you in getting rid of all the negative energies that are there in your kitchen. And it will create a balance, harmony in your life. And ultimately, it will create a very good impact on your health, your mental health, your emotional health, your physical health, your financial health, and which also affects your relationships, your married life too. That's why just remember all these tips that are related to kitchen. These are very powerful tips. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about Vastu remedies, numerology, or you need some crystal healing tips, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, we do have pure, authentic, and energized crystals available with us. So you can place an order anytime as per your convenience. And links for the reading, in detail reading, and for crystals have been mentioned in my description box below. So you can contact me anytime through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. So thank you so much for watching my video.